Before we power anything on, let's take a look at what's in front of you. The Marenza itself is the centerpiece. A compact stainless steel build with the grinder sitting on the top, the control panel at the center, the brew head and steam wand at the base. Everything you need is built into one unit. In the box, alongside the machine, you'll find a 58mm portafilter, the handle you reach for every single brew. Solid, weighted, and professional grade. 3 filter baskets are included. A single shot filter basket, a double shot filter basket, and a blind filter, no holes, used exclusively for deep cleaning. Each one drops into the portafilter and locks into the brew head when you're ready to go. You'll also find a 58mm tamper for compressing your coffee grounds, and a dosing funnel that sits on top of the portafilter basket to guide the grounds straight in with minimal mess. Rounding out the accessories, a cleaning brush, a cleaning needle for clearing blocked filter holes, and a silicone air blower for cleaning the grinder between uses. That's everything. Simple kit. Each piece has a clear purpose, and we use all of it in this tutorial.